Hey friends, the video you're watching on the screen right now has no editing at all, and I didn't waste any time on it. This video was created with just one click using Seedance 2.0 AI. In just a few minutes, this AI can generate highly realistic cinematic videos with amazing results. You can see the quality for yourself. All it takes is writing a simple prompt and the AI turns it into a professional film-style video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also create cinematic, high-quality videos like this. And the best part, you only need one AI tool called HitPawVikPea AI Video Generator. First of all, check the video description and the pinned comment. I've provided the link there. From that link, you can download the software for free. Just click on Try it free. Download the file, install it, and then open it. Once you open it, you'll see many AI tools, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the AI video generator. Click on it, and that's where we'll start creating our videos. Now I go to text to video. This feature is even more powerful because you don't need an image at all, just text. At the top, I select text to video, then choose a model. Now I write a prompt describing the video I want to create. Pro tip: if you don't know how to write prompts, you can use ChatGPT to generate better prompts. Once the prompt is ready, I select video duration, resolution for better quality, aspect ratio. Now I click generate and the AI starts creating the video. Image to video. First, I click on image to video. Now, I need to choose a model. There are multiple models available like Kling AI, PixVerse, Seedance 2 and Veo 3. Each model gives slightly different results, but today I'll go with Seedance 2 because it gives smooth and high quality animations. Now here you have two options: upload your own image or generate an image using AI. Now I write a video prompt. This tells the AI how the image should move or animate. For example, you can describe camera movement, motion or scene behavior. Then I select video duration, how long the video should be, aspect ratio. Now I click generate and the video starts processing. While this is loading, let's move to the next feature. Now let's explore another amazing feature: creative effects. Here you can find many different special effects for your videos. You can scroll and pick any effect you like. For example, I upload a reference image, select the video resolution and click generate. That's it. The AI will automatically apply the effect and create a video for you. Now let's check the results. Our image to video is Now, if you want to download the video, simply click the download icon and it will be saved to your device. You also have an option to improve quality even more using the video enhancer. Now, let's check the text to video result. This one looks very cinematic. The AI has created a complete scene. All these videos and show you the final results on desktop. As you can see, all three videos look professional and ready to post on social media.
Take cover! Fall back!
But that's not all. HitPawVikPea also includes many powerful AI tools like video enhancer to improve quality, background removal to remove unwanted backgrounds, AI color correction to adjust colors automatically, video repair to fix damaged or low quality videos, and an AI toolbox with many useful features. These tools make video editing extremely easy even for beginners. So guys, this was HitPawVikPea, an all-in-one AI platform for creating amazing videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI content. And make sure to check the links in the description and first comment to try these tools yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.